Hey, my purple posse, we're just getting hammered. I mean, hammered. The winds won't quit. And then we got an alert till 11:30 tonight rather than at 9:30. Yeah, you can hear that stuff's hitting the building. Projectiles. I didn't lose power yet. I just have all the lights out. This is crazy. But it reminds me of Irma. I was in Irma. Of course, this one's a little bit stronger, I think. Even though they were both a Cat 3. This one is crazy. I'm staying a little bit further back from the window because when the big gusts come, it's slamming the window. I'm not sure how this tree is holding, except that it's against a building. But if it does do anything, it's coming this way. So winds are coming at us back here, or at me. There's no us. I'm by myself. But look at this surge. Of winds. I'm trying not to make too long of videos because it takes a bit for it to even upload. So I don't even know how the internet's doing. Here we go. I'll show you the people that are across from me in this hotel. They keep coming to the windows, they look out, and then they turn around. There's a lot of people still up in there. You can see some people are sleeping through it, which is fine. I didn't think I would, just because it's a lot. I love a good storm. I don't even know how this fence is holding, because you can hear it banging like it wants to come down. And there's stuff all out in the alley that are flying and hitting this fence. I'll have to go see it tomorrow. I'm not going out in this. But this is what's been going on for the last couple of hours. We're still going to get some more hours of this. It's crazy. But anybody that's been through hurricanes knows what this is about. I'm happy to be in a concrete building right now, for sure. Of course, that doesn't mean that the roofs don't come off, but the walls are sturdy right now. Alright. I'll keep doing these. More in a bit. See you!